Can LLC members have different ownership? Yes, LLC members can have different ownership percentages, and this flexibility is one of the biggest advantages of an LLC. Unlike corporations, which usually divide ownership based on the number of shares held, an LLC can split ownership however the members agree. For example, one member could own 70% and another 30%, even if both contributed the same amount of money, as long as the operating agreement spells it out. Profits and losses can also be divided differently from ownership percentages. Two members could each own 50% of the LLC, but agree that one receives 60% of profits because they contribute more work. As long as the operating agreement clearly defines how ownership and distributions are handled, the IRS generally accepts it. The short answer is this: yes, LLC members can have different ownership percentages and profit splits, but everything must be documented in the operating agreement to avoid disputes. Zen Business can help you form your LLC with a customized operating agreement, so ownership and profit splits are clear from the start. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.